Welcome to my home. Let me show you 3 spaces where I prioritise well-being. The first being the hallway. Now for me, it's so important to walk into a space that's clutter-free. It's also calming and feels joyous. I love to have plants in the space. It really is such a welcoming joy, and also fragrance really helps, especially when you walk in. I also find that creating storage systems for the clutter, like coats and shoes, is so important. So really do think about your space and where you can implement change, like this. So now we're walking into one of our favourite rooms in the house. This is our lounge. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to show you around some of the zones that we've created in this space. First up, the sofas are facing each other, and I love that. The reason being is that we can just chat with anyone that comes into the home. Guests, family, it's great. And I love to have little pieces all around and staging, flowers, cards, scent. It's so important. But when we go to watch TV, just simply sit back here and have a little look around. So why add zones into your space? Well, for us, it just brings interest into the room. It's not just about a sofa and having your television. You can bring books, you can bring music. Music is so powerful to us. Literally, we have it on all the time. I've got all our vinyl organised, all in album order. We've also got our record player here, headphones. So when you just want a little bit of me time, you can just sit down with the headphones, listen to music. So perfect. Now, another favourite zone of mine in this space has to be our hostess trolley. Now, I have fond memories of my nanny Lottie having one of these growing up and taking little sweets and crisps off the trolley. And it was so important for me to introduce this into our space. It's a really welcoming space for our guests and also our family, and they can help themselves, and it's all about feeling the love actually, and just feeling comfortable in this space. Let's talk about layering, which I think is so important in a room. Adds texture and a little bit of dimension, if I'm honest with you. Who doesn't want to be cozied up on the sofa under a blanket? Come on. This is the space where it feels that you can breathe, like you can exhale and just get cozy, and it fills you with so much joy. It's my happy place. And here's one more space I want to share with you. It's here in our kitchen. This is our kitchen disco corner, and it's where we come to have a little bit of fun, where we dance, and just, it's a joyful place. Obviously, once the dishwasher has been loaded.